So we're going to the gym. This is my outfit. Nothing crazy. I look homeless. I look like I don't grow enough hair. Hey, what's up you guys? I am in my car right now, obviously, and we're going we're going to the gym right now, me and Dalton. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'll see you guys at the gym.
I want to see you bust down. Aren't even in my camera.
So, change of plans. We're going to my mom's to grab money because we didn't bring a wallet.
That's my mom.
And we're gonna go grab Chinese because that sounds good.
That sounds really fucking good.
Yeah. And so, yeah. Well, we got our Chinese. We got. You always said that. We got a Chinese. So this is my food. I got some white rice, broccoli chicken, these angel hair noodles, and some sesame chicken, and some sushi. Hey guys, we're here in this hill that we found. Kind of sucks, but whatever. Dalton face planted like twice. I'm gonna try to go down with this thing. Oh my god, I'm scared! What, your face hurts?
Bad.
Whew, walking up this hill is not fun. Homegirl is tired. My fucking knee! Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna fly in
Go,
there.
just try. I'll run with you.
Alright guys, so we're in the arcade. Who won? Who won? I'm gonna hit you back in the back. I'm gonna break it.
Perfect!
Ooh! Ooh! Sorry. Ooh! Bitch, what the fuck? Well, at least it got one. We went bowling for a little bit after with my family and Dalton. So yeah, we're just chilling here. So just gonna end the video here. Hope you guys had fun with me.
Making a YouTube video.
Oh yeah. Hope you guys had fun watching my video. And see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me